So today we're going to show you how to embed another website or another web page into your KW agent site. So to do this, you have a couple of different options, but for today's example, we're going to show you how to do that with iFrame. So I have two examples of some content that this agent wants to get into her KW site. So one is she has a CMA. She uses Cloud CMA. She has an account through our local MLS that gives her this lead generation page, and we want to put this onto her website so that anybody visiting her site can interact with it in that environment. The other example that we have is she also has a subscription to Keeping Current Matters. So she has this nice little market update that's branded to her that gets updated automatically. So with all these little articles, so we're also going to make this a module on her agent site as well. So let's jump in. So I'm here, I'm inside the edit your agent site area, inside what we're calling the CMS. So I'm going to start off by going up here to the plus sign, and when I click on that, we're going to come down and we're going to select an iFrame embed module. So we have to create a module first, and then we're going to take that module and put it onto a page for the site. So we're going to click on that. That is going to load. We are going to give it an internal name. So for this one, we're going to do the CMA. So internally, just for our own benefit, it's not public facing. We're just going to put Cloud CMA so that we know what that is for. I'm going to grab her URL for this particular landing page, and we're going to paste it here for the URL. Now this is so much easier than it was under our old legacy sites. You can see it pops right in, comes right up. We don't need to have any little extra code with it. And the only other thing we need to do here is we need to give it a height and a width. So for height, we're going to use 800. And that should tighten that up a little bit. Great. And for iFrame width, we're going to make it 100%. So they already give you kind of that suggestion right there, but you need to make sure we put that in there. So why 100%? Well, that's because with scaling going between different devices, so whether you're on a desktop or you're going to go to a tablet or to a phone, it's going to scale the page. So by scaling the width as that size gets smaller, by utilizing 100%, it's going to frame it correctly for that mobile responsiveness, which is great. Okay, so we're all set. We have our little preview of our module. We are going to click on Publish, and we are good to go. So next we're going to return to the dashboard. Now remember, we have to put a module on a page, so we can either select Custom Page here, or we can come up to the plus sign and select Custom Page right in this menu. And we can go in and give this a page title. So for this, we're going to use What's My Home Worth? So it matches up with the module that we just did. We also have the option of having the page heading with the title, which you can see is this bar right here. We'll address that in a second. So I'm going to come over here and add the module. And we just need to scroll down to iFrame. There we go. And now we can select the one that we want to put in. Now, any module that you've created in the past will show in this list. So you can see I've done local market stats prior. But for this one, we're going to select the one we just did here with Cloud CMA. Great. So that pops in. Perfect. Back to the page header. Obviously, we don't want this to say the same on both, right? So I'm happy with it just being this white page here with this box. So we're going to take these out. All you have to do, if you just want to get rid of the words, you can click Hide Title. But if you want to get rid of that bar that's at the top here, we can just come here to Page Heading and select None. And that'll take that out for us. Great, so that looks cool. I'm going to hit Publish, and then we're going to return to the dashboard, and we'll go from there. Okay, we are back on the dashboard, and let's go check out our new page. So I'm going to launch her website into a new window. And I can come over here now under the More button, and now we have that What is my home worth, or What's my home worth, that we can click on. Now we're able to interact with this standalone page inside of her agent site. So that worked well. If you enjoyed this, definitely give me a like on the old YouTube channel here, and please subscribe. I plan on putting more of these videos up as time goes on, and I hope this helps. Thank you, everyone. Have a great day.